I'm just a little guy in the world, a little guy named Dennis Woodruff, who has a dream to become a movie star.
Dennis Woodruff kæmper for at blive stjerne i Hollywood.
I want to be the biggest movie star in the universe. Is that asking too much?
Woodruff har levet her blandt Hollywoods symboler og ikoner i 22 år nu. Han er 48 og er aldrig kommet rigtig tæt på stjernerne.
Give me my Oscar. I deserve it.
Hollywood er fuld af mennesker som Dennis Woodruff, der kommer hertil med drømmen om at blive den næste store stjerne. De fleste går til bunds snarere end til tops, men de færreste går så vidt som Dennis Woodruff.
Hollywood! Woo! Dennis Woodruff, your man! Woo! Get the movie! Woo!
Woodruff kører hver dag gennem Hollywood i en bil, der gør reklame for Dennis Woodruff.
My name is Dennis Woodruff, and I make my own movies, and I made a movie about a struggling actor who never gives up his dream.
You?
Yes.
Woodruffs arbejdsplads er gaden. Her går han alle ugens dage med sin hund Toffee og sine hjemmelavede film.
Okay, tough. Let's go. Come on. Hello, ma'am. Have you heard about my movies? Hi. Hi, excuse me. My name is Dennis Woodruff. I make movies. Can I tell you about them? There's no bad language. It's PG rated. And I really need supporters of my movie. Will you buy one for $5 and check it out? No, thanks.
Woodruff bliver for det meste afvist, men han sælger også nogle film.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So you got one now. Now, do you want part 2 too?
No, that's okay.
Okay, thank you very much.
Han siger, at han kan tjene 700-800 kroner på en dag, og filmene en hjemmegjort fortælling af, med og om Dennis Woodruff.
Hey, Dennis Woodruff, how are you?
Som barn i biografen drømte Dennis Woodruff sig ind i filmenes verden, siger han.
And when I saw a movie, I believed what I was seeing was real. And I wanted to be my life like in a movie. So I wanted my life to be a movie.
Mickey Rooney, Toffee. There's Mickey.
Hollywood Boulevard er stedet, hvor berømtheder har deres stjerner i fortoget.
And Dean Martin.
Tusindvis af turister kommer hver dag for at se dem, og byen sørger for, at de bliver pudset flotte og blanke. Dennis Woodruff håber, at han en dag kan få sit navn på en af de tomme stjerner.
Toffee, here's our star right here, Toff. Look, Toff, it's for us, Toffee.
Måske bliver Woodruff aldrig stjerne, men undervejs er han blevet Hollywoods bedst kendte, ukendte skuespiller.
Yeah, I've seen him. I don't know what he's been in, though. And he's been trying to get in movies and make movies for a long time. But I think I've heard of him, yeah.
Dennis Woodruff siger, at han kan lære enhver at spille skuespil på 5 minutter, og han spiller gerne roller fra gamle film.
I could have been somebody. I could have been a contender. I could have been somebody with class instead of a bum, Charlie, which is what I am.
I'd like to be a vampire from Transylvania.
I thought you were my partner, man. You turned on me. But I got one left for you. Boom! Oh.
Dennis Woodruff har betalt en pris for sin drøm. Han bor i en campingvogn, som mange end ikke ville gå ind i. Woodruff arbejder hele dagen med at sælge sine film, og om aftenen laver han nye kopier i campingvognen. Omkring den står hans historie, biler han efterhånden har slidt op i jagten på sin drøm. Og fra sit hjem kan han se Hollywood-skiltet i det fjerne.
You know, Hollywood and me is a love-hate relationship. I mean, sometimes I love it and sometimes I hate it. Hi, my name is Dennis Woodruff. If you don't know already, I just won this wonderful award, the Oscar.
Det er tvivlsomt, om Dennis Woodruff nogensinde får en rigtig Oscar-statuette i hænderne, men man behøver egentlig ikke have ondt af ham.
There's only one Dennis Woodruff, and that's me.
På en måde har Dennis Woodruff faktisk fundet en rolle, han kan spille her blandt alle berømthederne og stjernerne i Hollywood.
I can do a pretty good Dennis Woodruff. Would you like to see it? I'm the king of the world! I'm the king! I'm the king! Yeah! Okay, and I'd like to thank everyone in the world for giving me my new star on the Walk of Fame. And these are some of my fans, and we want to document this moment. I'm the king of Hollywood! I'm the king of the world!
Los Angeles er købt på til fest, Oscarfest, Det ses på gaderne, det ses i butiksvinduerne, og det ses på tv-skærmen.
Best Oscar news coverage.
Jim Barry here, live with world-renowned actor Dennis Woodruff with his premiere showing of Idling Brando. A wonderful film. And here's the star right behind my back, right here.
You know, you look so good.
Take that as a compliment, Dennis.
Jim, you know, Jim, right?
Jim, that's right.
Yeah, Jim, it's true that you're quite a ladies' man, and I was wondering if maybe you could give me some tips, because, you know, aside from having fans and everything, I would like to score once in a while.
You're a little short on the women.
Trying to bring them to home base, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know,
well,
get them the rest of the way.
I think home base is a good start. Go to home base. Women love construction people.
They do?
Tips. Yeah, they like tips like that. Hang out in the drywall section. That's a good spot.
Yeah, I was
of course, the screws, the nuts and bolts. That's always a great spot for me.
Pricing the electric sanders. And
Yeah.
there was a gorgeous girl next to me. And
I'm telling you.
She said, man, you have nice cheeks. I said, what?
Yeah.
I said, you know, I started going like this.
Yeah, yeah.
I didn't notice. And she goes, no, not those cheeks.
She was
you
talking about
dummy.
your gluteus maximus. Huh?
Yeah, and I was
That's
like
not a
feeling
bad-
kind of like George Michaels or something.
Yeah.
You have to have a list of stalkers that follow you around and try to...
We're trying to create this for you, Dennis.
Trying to what?
Well, we're trying to create that feeling of what's going to happen right now. Watch this, Dennis.
I wonder if I have to buy a ticket.
I think you might have to buy a ticket. I'm not buying it.
You know, I always considered it an honor to have my picture taken by wonderful artists like this man. And, you know, I was thinking, too, you know, these pictures, if you put them all together in sequence, it would be like a little movie, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
It wouldn't, like a roll of film, if you put it together, would be like a little movie. Yeah, that kind of like, that really inspires kind of shady character, but my future's so bright that I have to wear my sunglasses at night. That's some song I heard. And we're also here with my good friend Willard Morgan, who is one of my favorite pals in the industry. And we have Michael Beltrami, who's a world-renowned European director, filmmaker. Can you come over here just for a second? Tell the public about this a little tidbit about this new project.
Well, I cannot talk very much about the project because it's still in